Today, we explore key vitamins, what they do, and what happens when we don't get enough. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium for strong bones. Without it, bones soften, causing rickets. Vitamin C keeps skin and gums healthy. A lack of it causes scurvy, with bleeding gums. Iodine is needed for thyroid hormones. Without enough iodine, the thyroid swells, causing goitre. Remember, a balanced diet with varied foods prevents deficiency diseases. Eat well, stay healthy. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.